from where we were trying to design this. And this HStack has to go on top, and then we have this vertical alignment. But where is this text? Also, I don't know. This is some. We need to move this, so we need to give it a position, and then the parent container is going to be the parent container is the root, right? So let's this geometry. Let's have this inside. Oh, we just need this thing to go up. So what we can do is we can, have this inside and get rid of this stack. And then jump it. Oh, see, now the position has changed. Okay. And then this is already at the proper position. Let's have this HStack. And then vertical alignment. The reason is saying vertical is horizontally the space is filled, right? Let's give it spacing so that it goes down. And then we have the HStack. So horizontally center. Oh, this is vertically centered, right? Vertically centered. And then now we don't need this. Now we have this 1, 2, 3. This is 3 VStacks, right? Or okay, let's so we have HStack and then HStack and then HStack. Let's get rid of this. Yes. Where is this? Is the parenthesis. Get rid of so we have this vertically center itself. Vertically aligned, not center. And then frame. Now let's have 3 HStacks. And then let me have leadings, and this is the HStack. Let's have a border. See, this is a rectangle, right? First, let's get the HStack. You have a text. Leading. We'll override that string. Change to the one. And then let's have font. Let's get this also a font. And yeah. Now we have leading center. and then it's giving us shape. This has, so the content has to be orange. This has to be orange, right? The thing is, this is going to expand from. Let's get rid. Also, this sidebar. No, why is it going all the way around? So this HStack, you can give it a border. And then this, there has to be something about this thing. So by default, this is kind of taking entire space. Even if you had a space, sorry, I don't think so. Or sure. We'll have to change the height or something. But he hasn't given any height. Oh. So this color kind of pushes out just. Don't have that color set up. This is the paper. Why is it expanding all the way around? This is going expanding all the screen. Why is it? So I'll have to constrain the height. Yeah, the parent is height, right? That's all. This is too small. But now we want it to expand, right? Let's do some spacing. Now even these has to be evenly spaced, right? Yeah. Center or this is. Now even here you need some spacing. So now these are all equally spaced, and the more big I make this, it's going down. 120 is good, I guess. And then what? Just give some padding or something at the end, right? No, not to the spacer. So instead of putting at the end spacer, see, yeah, let's get rid of this and just add a padding there. So it hasn't given spacing, just given the padding. Okay. Let's this block, and then let's copy. Now let's change the alignment, right? Come here. Alignment. There's some parentheses. Why is this coming on top though? Just oh, this is outside the HStack. Let's get rid of this parenthesis. That's geometry error, right? You haven't put it in the correct place. Let's get it done. And then let's have this alignment. Let's change this to, what is the alignment he has done? Top. So this will get aligned over here. And then other one will be for bottom, I guess. Let's have this as bottom. So this is the bottom, right? And then also there's something else also we can do. No, it's you can align these the baseline. Something is saying. Let's get rid of this. Let's have a VStack and then HStack. Let's get rid of this as well. Let's have a VStack and then let's get this as spacing. And then And then we have something else as well. Let's get this and this. Let's increase the title. Let's instead of giving it to everything, you know. Yeah, let's get rid of. And then let's have this box. This is the HStack, right? This is still the text. Text. It's like one of the alignment option to help better align the bottom of the text. Let's get this background. Yellow. Let's change the foreground style. And now let's have the HStack. So add the HStack, and then this is text with different sizes. So this is text, and then this is the default. Let's have a spacer, I guess. So yeah, let's okay. So you're saying font is but then it comes, you can override it when you're right. Let's have this as, and then this is hello, and then we have amazing, and then we have one more. Let's change the size of this to last item. Now this 6 is not aligned, right? So what I can do is, what if I want to align only the bases, so I can do that. But then there is no multiple text. So kind of missing argument label. Oh yeah, you need to alignment. These are all going to get aligned now. And then this was also, this is how when, okay, let's have one more HStack here. Let's get rid of this, get rid of here. No initialization. This is HStack. It's the preview. Something wrong with the preview. I don't know why the preview is fast, but then there shouldn't be. Yeah. How to resume the preview? Ideally, it should be. Yeah, now it has updated. And then when you last text baseline. She's having this backslashes thing, right? Having this. Let's make this title 3. Let's have this amazing developer. And let's just be a single one. Let's get rid of this. And then font title is 3. Then really amazing developer. So let's okay, so this is now going to come in one line. It kind of squishes everything, right? Let's have the alignment removed. This is it takes time, yeah. And this font is bigger and this is small. Okay. So let's give it a width, say now that, so it will overflow when they have a width, right? So it's, now see what has happened is because the frame size is, now that last line thing will be more. So only these two should get aligned. Now let's make it title because this is title is in title 2. Oh, so now what if I do is see only this last line text is going to align. It's alright. It's fine, yeah. And then there we go. Last. So see this has come down. If you just get this and check what is coming on the last line. So this has gone down and developer has been aligned. This is something that is aligned, right? Customization. Notice or layout priority. This is when when text is size right. Okay, let's have this. This is something cool. Let's have an HStack, and then let's have text. So we are over here, right? We want, okay. Is it single line or? SwiftUI, and let's get and then let's have this. We don't have any image over here. Unfortunately, it's got this image from somewhere, but we don't have that image right now. Let's have an image one. We have one, right? And then let's resize, and then let's get a frame height and width is 80, and then height is 80. So now, and then let's have for the text. So text bring balance. Get a thing. Let's let's have this with this so that it kind of starts wrapping down. Okay, now we are going to have don't let the text, so you're not going to let it wrap, but we don't want balance to come down, so you're going to give it a layout priority unless so the thing is, although the line limit is 1, I don't know what's the use of the line limit thing. Line limit, I don't think so. This is something we should be. Okay, so what if we do this without the line limit thing? Also, it kind of pushes this down so that this has to be there. Okay. A lazy HStack. This is same way. You can have a pinned view here as well. Can pin in views as well here. Same. No, Z stack. This is basically in the Z direction, right? Let's get this thing. So we are going to do an overlay. Now what? For example, have this gray on this, right? So let's get rid of this. Let's have this Z stack, and then let's get the right. Now there is no oh, we need to have light. Let's change this to right. So now let's have that. And this is it's going to take the entire screen, right? What is color? Yes, so color dot gray is a view he's saying, but this is a push out view. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Is it a view? Color is a view that represents rectangular area filled with a specific color. It conforms to the view protocol. He's saying color is a view. That color is also a view, he's saying. So it kind of a push out, it will create a rectangle. Just give me 1 minute. Everybody. Yeah, we'll continue with this track in the next lecture. Just give me a minute.